attempt at wrapping a present. It took so long. I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. I'm making a guess. A guesstimate. Wait, I got this tape on my finger. It's not the right kind of tape, stupid hoe. Oh, shut the fuck up. You have to be deadly silent while she works.
She doesn't like silence.
I got that. Give me the tape, you hoe bag.
You know, it's already 1 o'clock.
Holy shit.
Text message.
Give me the tape! TV problem. Who, not the bedroom. Oh, okay. Yeah, we got it fixed. Cause we're supposed to be cleaning our bedrooms. That's not gonna happen.
Wait, what? Oh, this is on the...
Are you done yet?
Shut up, Savannah. This is a long process.